Very easy to do. Hi, this is Dalton Wilson from West Central Equipment Integrated Solutions. Today I'm just going to go over a quick rundown of our packages, our IS packages or AMS packages they've been called in the past for 2024. This year we're going to have two main packages, a gold package and a silver. The gold package includes two on-farm visits from me, help set up any receiver display setup questions, and then unlimited phone support throughout the season. This also includes your software updates, those types of things, different questions you have with the operations center or with equipment on your machine. Silver package is very similar, just one on-farm visit. It still has the phone support, RDA access, all those types of things that are listed out in the package agreement that we will be mailing out. So we also offer the preseason planner optimization package, which is included if you purchase a gold package. You can add on the preseason planner optimization. That includes myself and one of our technicians coming out. Technicians there for 4 hours actually looking at the planner, working on things, making sure everything is as good to go as it can be. We'll go to the field, actually put some seed in the ground, check everything, make sure all your offsets are good to go, set up, you're ready to go for the season. Also with the packages, if you have multiple displays, we'll add that in just so we can make sure we have all the displays up to date with software, everything you need to get the most out of your integrated solutions equipment. The package agreements will be coming out in the mail if you're on our mailing list, if you've bought them before or even in years past. They're also available on the website if you want to check out more details there. You can check them out and purchase them through the website.